Alright, quick take here on what I think is going to happen with price. Looks like we've got our level 2 drop completed here. We had a little peak formation, came down, had a rise up. Let me get my little drawing here. Came down, rose up, dropped down again, and now we're stabilizing in this zone. From a volume perspective, we are seeing some volume coming in as support. It hasn't been like what we saw in the past where we'd get the initial spike and then nothing coming in. There actually does appear to be some volume here. Oops, can't even see that. Drop down to the last hour. We take a look here. We see that there we get this initial pump. And then we do have some volume falling through. What was happening before was we'd get this pump, get the pump up, and then there'd be no volume. The volume would be like well under this line here. That's not happening this time. Price is still coming down, but it does appear to be a good exchange between buyers and sellers here. It's not just drifting. And here's a good example of that drifting where price was around 45,000 here, and you'd see it get this pump, price would rise, volume would basically be non-existent. You know, what's interesting too is you see a nice 16 million here, forcing that price down. But if we go over to the, let's see, hold on, live data here, you see a similar number here, right? 11. So it looks like we do have some of that volume coming in. It is stopping it here, right? See, it's stopping volume, right? Price then starts to return up. So why do I think that we're going to stabilize here and then move up maybe as high as 44 to 45K? Quick look at the book map. We see that there is some liquidity moving in above price that can be used to then attack this zone here. You know, another thing I want to point out is I don't expect price to get underneath 40K. There's really not the liquidity down here to go attack. I think it also creates a little bit of a incentive for that money to come up. All right, also we've got the MA50 up here. A nice little retrace to about this level is what I'm expecting to meet that based on the things I just discussed. And then I could see a drop down to attack the last of the wick. Last of the wick would be, get over to it. What are we talking about, right?